Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is actually going to be a little different one. It's going to be a Fortnite tutorial video. If you guys haven't seen already, I'll pop it up on the screen. Andre has done 2 Minecraft tutorial videos, and I thought, why not should I do a Fortnite tutorial video? So today it's going to be about editing with left stick. So yeah guys, if you guys haven't used left stick before, it's just a lot faster. Like I've been using it for like a lot in my lifetime, and I've liked it and I'm gonna better at it, but I just decided I have to change the left stick. Like, you know, lots of people have already done it, let's do it. But yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you how. So it's actually pretty simple. So all you need to do is just go straight to the controller place, and then you go down to custom. I'm normally on Builder Pro, but you go down to custom, click on that, then you go down to here. So pretty much normally it is on sprint. So for most people this is normally on sprint, but then all you need to do is click on this left stick thing, and it under reload, and it says edit, and then you change this one. I think it's like squads one, I forgot what yeah, it's called change squad requests to sprint. So then this will be a sprint bind, and then over here switch, PS4 same thing. For me it's B, switch I think A, and then PS4 is circle. But yeah, then you go to here, and then instead of switch mode to edit, you go to switch mode, just normal switch mode. And then yeah, that's really it. But if you do want to do right stick, then you have to change crouch to the edit bind. But I rather left stick, it's just a lot easier. But yeah, it's your choice. You can do left stick, right stick, whatever you guys prefer. But yeah, that's really it. It's just a lot more smoother. Like, yeah, so this is B. I've been using B for a while. Oh my god, I'm so bad now. I used the left stick. Oh god. But yeah, this is like B. It's just a lot slower. As it look like, see how I can do double edit there? It's just a lot slower. I'm not that good with B anymore because I've been using left stick, and I've only just got a better left stick now. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy that and it did help you out, please drop a like. If you guys want me to do more tutorial videos like this, just tell me, because yeah, I really like to do them. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one, guys. See ya.